I'm Brian McCarthy on scene with us in Hamilton Township at the end of 5th Avenue. There's a truck with a trailer in the creek. Let's see what's going on.
Over there to meet you guys and just stand by. That way we don't have to call our guys and we'll just cut if we need to.
Dave, how big are they around?
Wow, whatever you want to say. So I don't know if you want to bring your record from that side, but apparently it's bullets.
Hey, I'm here. Right.
Hey, Kev. Kev. He's just looking at it real quick and he's going to bring the wrecker over.
I got my heavy coming. Back that way.
So these guys, do you need these guys here? Because they're going to, do you want these guys to help you put a chains order or no?
Yeah.
If not, they can break it down. Whatever you want.
Yeah, I would probably. I may need one here because if it's okay. It looks like it's hooked up still. All right. I mean, if I can pull it out by the trailer, then I will. But
all right. So these guys, keep these guys here
for now. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Back that way. So these guys, do you need these guys here? Because they're going to, do you want these guys to help you put a chains order or no?
Yeah.
If not, they can break it down. Whatever you want.
Yeah, I would probably. I may need one here because if it's okay. It looks like it's hooked up still. All right. I mean, if I can pull it out by the trailer, then I will. But
all right. So these guys, keep these guys here
for now. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
We have the black.